Hey everyone, let's be honest. Nobody likes paying for home insurance, especially as those bills keep climbing. But what if you could cut your premiums by 20%, even 40%, without losing coverage? That's real money back in your pocket. Today, I'm sharing 6 proven strategies I used myself to slash my home insurance costs. Let's dive in. When was the last time you actually shopped around for home insurance? Not just glanced at a few options, but really took the time to compare what's out there. For most people, it's been years, if ever. It's easy to stick with what you know, but that comfort could be costing you hundreds, even thousands of dollars over time. If you just went with your realtor's pick, you're probably overpaying. Loyalty doesn't pay. Insurance companies rarely reward it. In fact, many insurers count on customers not bothering to shop around, quietly raising rates year after year. Don't let convenience drain your wallet. Get quotes from at least 10 different companies using online comparison tools. It might sound like a lot, but it's easier than ever. Most sites let you compare multiple policies in minutes. Don't just look at the monthly premium, compare deductibles, coverage limits, and fees. Pay attention to customer reviews and claim satisfaction ratings too. The cheapest option isn't always the best. Make sure you know exactly what you're getting. Read the fine print, ask questions, and don't be afraid to negotiate. Shopping around could mean better protection for your home and more money in your pocket. If you've got a solid emergency fund, consider raising your deductible. Higher deductibles mean lower premiums, but only choose an amount you can comfortably cover. A good rule: keep your deductible under 10% of your emergency savings. Check with your mortgage lender for any deductible limits. This move alone can save you hundreds each year. Time to hunt for hidden discounts. Most insurers won't tell you unless you ask. Bundle your home and auto insurance for up to 30% off. Install security systems, smoke detectors, or smart home devices for more savings. Ask about loyalty, first-time buyer, non-smoker, and pay-in-full discounts. Every little bit adds up. Don't leave money on the table. Be persistent and ask for every discount you might qualify for. When it comes to protecting your home, one size definitely doesn't fit all. Don't pay for coverage you don't need. Customize your policy to fit your unique situation, your home, and your lifestyle. Every home is different, and your insurance should reflect that. By taking the time to tailor your coverage, you can make sure you're not overpaying for unnecessary extras, while still getting the protection you truly need. Start by setting your dwelling coverage to your home's replacement cost, not its market value. The replacement cost is what it would actually take to rebuild your home from the ground up if disaster strikes, including materials and labor. Market value, on the other hand, can fluctuate and often includes the value of the land, which doesn't need to be insured. Next, review your coverage for other structures like garages, sheds, or fences, and for your personal property. Make sure these amounts match what you actually own and what it would cost to replace them. Take inventory of your belongings and update your policy as your needs change over time. Don't forget about additional living expenses coverage. This helps pay for temporary housing, meals, and other costs if you're ever displaced from your home due to a covered loss. Make sure your limit is high enough to cover your family's needs for several months, just in case. Consider adding riders or endorsements for risks that aren't covered by standard policies like floods, earthquakes, or strict local building codes. These add-ons can provide extra peace of mind and fill important gaps in your protection. By customizing your policy, you can cut unnecessary costs, avoid surprises, and boost your protection, giving you confidence that your home and everything in it are truly covered. The best time to prepare for the unexpected is before it happens. Start by creating a detailed home inventory. Walk through each room and take clear photos or videos of your belongings. Capture everything, from electronics and furniture to jewelry and appliances. Don't forget closets, storage spaces, and even the garage. This visual record will be invaluable if you ever need to file an insurance claim. Store your receipts, warranties, and important documentation in a secure place. Digital copies are best. Upload them to the cloud or email them to yourself for easy access. For extra protection, keep hard copies in a fireproof safe or a secure off-site location. This way, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips even if your home is damaged. Make sure your photos and videos are date-stamped. Timestamps help prove when you owned each item and what condition it was in before any loss. This simple step can make a big difference in speeding up your claim and ensuring you get the right compensation. Keep an up-to-date list of your valuables, including descriptions, estimated values, and purchase dates. Update your inventory regularly, especially after big purchases or gifts. This organized record will help you remember details and avoid missing items when filing a claim. If you ever need to file a claim, remember to be your own advocate. Review your policy, ask questions, and don't hesitate to negotiate if you feel your settlement is too low. Stay organized and keep records of all communications with your insurance company. For larger or more complex claims, consider hiring a public adjuster. These professionals work on your behalf to help you navigate the claims process and ensure you receive a fair settlement. Being claims ready gives you peace of mind and puts you in control when it matters most. Catastrophes happen. Hurricanes, wildfires, earthquakes. Shop for coverage before disaster season hits as rates can spike after major events. Consider extra coverage for floods or earthquakes, since standard policies rarely include them. If private insurance is too expensive, check for state-run programs for high-risk homes. Don't wait until it's too late to get the protection you need. Let's recap Shop Around, raise your deductible, stack discounts, customize coverage, prep for claims, and plan for disasters. These strategies can save you thousands and give you peace of mind. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to InsureSavvy for more insider tips. Drop a comment with the tip that surprised you most. See you in the next video.